Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from Yahoo to Google as a default search engine on Chrome. So for that purpose, first of all open up Chrome. Now once you're at Chrome, you can see that I am using Yahoo right now. Now in order to change it, go back, click on these three dots right here, and in here click on settings, and at the top right here you will see search engine which says Yahoo search. Click on it and select Google in here. After that, go back and you should have Google as your default browser rather than Yahoo. So that is how you can switch from Yahoo to Google in Chrome. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google as your default browser instead of Yahoo on Google Chrome. So for that purpose, click on these three bars right here, and in here scroll down and look for settings. Click on it. Now in here go to search engine. Now in here you will see Yahoo right here. Click on change, and in here select Google. Click on set as default. And now Google will act as your default search engine. Now if you open up a new tab, Google will open instead of Yahoo. So that is how you can change from Yahoo to Google on Chrome.